power and functions of the boards. Central board. The main function of the central board is to implement legislation created to improve the quality of air and to prevent and control air pollution in the country. The board advises the central government on matters concerning the improvement of air quality and also coordinates activities, provides technical assistance and guidance to state boards, and lays down standards for the quality of air. It collects and disseminates information in respect of matters relating to air pollution and performs functions as prescribed in the Act. State pollution control boards. The state boards have the power to advise the state government on any matter concerning the prevention and control of air pollution. They have right to inspect at all reasonable times any control equipment, industrial plant or manufacturing processes, and give orders to take the necessary steps to control pollution. They are expected to inspect air pollution control areas at intervals or whenever necessary. They are empowered to provide standards for emission to be laid down for different industrial plants with regard to quantity and composition of emission of air pollutants into the atmosphere. A state board may establish or organize a laboratory to perform this function. The state governments have been given powers to declare air pollution control areas after consulting with the state board and also give instructions for ensuring standards of emission from automobiles and restriction on use of certain industrial plants. Penalties. Persons managing industry ought to be penalized if they produce emission of air pollutants in excess of the standards laid down by the state board. The board also make applications to the court for restraining persons causing air pollution. Whoever contravenes any of the provision of the Act or any order or any direction is used is punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months, or with fine of 10,000 or worth both in case of continuing offense with an additional fine which may extend to rupees 5,000 for every day during which such contravention continuous affect conviction for the first contravention. Thank you. Have a nice day.